So what I love about what I've found is, and we've talked about this before, Lisa, but teams are really the future of real estate.
Absolutely.
And why do you think that is?
Better service.
What do you mean? What does that mean? Because I don't think, John Q. Homeowner knows why that means better service necessarily.
I was an individual before I was a group. And I made the transition because, especially in a market like ours where there is so much demand, and it became very challenging for me to consistently serve all of my clients with the same level that they came to expect from me. And in forming a team, it allowed me the opportunity to not necessarily be in more places at one time, but to give each client everything they needed when they needed it. And in a market where we have multiple offers or properties that go in hours, not a week, it's important to know that if I'm not available, I've got someone on my team who's qualified, knowledgeable, and ready to help. Now, there are a lot of successful individual realtors, tons of them. They have a support staff, so I certainly don't want to imply that someone can't be successful and be individual. But I found that for me, we've been very blessed. We do a tremendous amount of business in the area, and we're fortunate to do that. But we've also built our team to continue that growth and to continue that level of service, and better yet, to even improve what I was able to provide my clients.
And what are the buyers facing when they're out there going to make an offer on a home?
Well, I think everyone talks about this, but you can't overemphasize this. It is important to have all of your documentation, your pre-qualification, everything that you can put together ahead of the process that gives you a leg up when we're in competing offers. I would say still a large portion of the offers that we submit are in a competing situation. So it's important in these scenarios that you have a realtor that, number one, knows how to navigate those waters. And not only that, but can put you in an effective position. And I think that's something that people struggle with sometimes, is maybe the realtor's not experienced, or maybe the realtor doesn't have enough to feel that force and to really put the best foot forward. So I think there's a lot of things that have to be done before you get to that position.